Hey, this is Tamilynnhancock, and I am the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too if you just don't give up. My job here on the internet is to help you, network marketers, online marketers, affiliate marketers, grow your business by using attraction marketing to find the leverage and the tools to work smart and not hard. Today I'm talking a little bit about my subject line is, trusting yourself. You can do this. Hey Deb, good to have you here. You see, what happens is that most of us in network marketing struggle because we don't trust ourselves, or we don't believe in ourselves and our abilities to succeed in network marketing. And if this is resonating with you, hey Sarah, if this is resonating with you, give me some thumbs up and hearts to know that I'm hitting your nail. Many times we get into network marketing and we're trying desperately to succeed and find our niche and find success, but we don't always believe in ourselves. And sometimes our belief system got destroyed by things that have nothing to do with network marketing. Maybe it got destroyed by a bad relationship. Maybe our belief system got destroyed because we had a bad relationship with our parents, and they never encouraged us to grow and succeed and move forward. So our belief system is vital in being effective and being able to grow in our attraction marketing. And so a lot of times, because you don't think you can do something, we don't do it. When the fact is, every one of you watching right now, you can absolutely rock your business online. You can absolutely build your business, whatever it is, using attraction marketing. You can be a success. So what I want to encourage you today is that you're not alone in feeling like you don't trust yourself and you don't trust your abilities. And a lot of us who struggle with that, and that was me too, okay, so I can relate to you. We don't trust ourselves because we feel like we're not super internet savvy. Well, did you know you can learn to be internet savvy and you're not too old? A lot of times we don't trust ourselves because we just don't, it takes us a while to learn something. Okay, so it takes you a month or two longer to learn something, but you can still learn, right? And all you need is someone who's going to be there to patiently teach you. A lot of times we have these false visions of what we think we should be, and a lot of times those visions are, we're trying to be, hey Shannon, we're trying to be somebody else besides ourselves. Like, for instance, we're looking at somebody in our upline and say, I want to be like them. So instead of acting like us and being us, we try to mimic somebody else and be them. And we can't be somebody else and they can't be us. You can only be you. So, a lot of times we destroy our own beliefs because we're trying to be somebody we're not. When if we just were who we are, and we're genuine and we're ourselves 100%, we would find that we attract lots and lots of people to us just by being who we are. You see, building trust in yourself starts right up here in your brain. It's believing that you have the ability to succeed. A lot of times we struggle with these four problems. We struggle with the ability to close the deal. We struggle with the ability to how to make new friends. We struggle with the ability, how do we tell people about our product? We struggle with how do we be consistent? And I'll add on there one I just talked about, number 5, we struggle with how to use the internet. And then because we don't trust ourselves, we try to buy our solutions. So we go out there and we buy a $300 program and we hope that that will fix our mindset and that'll magically fix everything, but it doesn't. In fact, it might be a good program, but it's not going to fix anything because we haven't fixed our belief in ourselves up here. We try to find quick fixes, and we try to find a program that's going to do all the work for us and find our target market and our leads for us, so all we have to do is collect the money. And if anybody's telling you that they're going to find your target market for you and you're going to sit there with your hand out and get money, they're lying to you. Attraction marketing is believing in yourself, and it's attracting your target market to you because you're being genuine, you're being real, and you are providing solutions to your target market. And if somebody's out there trying to find leads for you and they're not finding the leads that are in your target market, then you're paying somebody to find a bunch of names for you that aren't even interested in what you're selling. For instance, oh, thanks for that thumbs up. For instance, if you sell pickles and you buy a lead, somebody says, I'm going to give you 1,000 leads, and they give you 1,000 leads, but 999 of those leads are only interested in skincare, then you've paid for 999 leads who could care less about your pickles. Hey Marianne, good to see you. Are you resonating with me? Give me some thumbs up and some hearts. So this is a common thing. We all try to find these quick fixes. We try to find somebody who will magically bring our downline for us so that we can just, put our hand out and get the money. So, you're normal. I think we've all done it. We've all fallen into that trap, but please just stop. Believe in yourself. You are here watching me because you believe in attraction marketing. You are here watching me because you know that I'm here to encourage you and to show you that you can do this business. You can explode your business with attraction marketing. So if you need some help and you're saying, Tammy Lynn, how can I get that encouragement? How can I learn how to attract people to me? Put the words attraction marketing below. If you agree with what I'm saying and you resonate with me, just let me know that. Give me some thumbs up and encouragement. Give me some yeses if you also agree with me. And I am here to help you because my goal is to help you succeed and to gain the confidence and the skills and the tools so that you can grow your business, whatever it is. And remember that there is always somebody out there looking for what you're selling. And you can stand out above everybody else who's doing online business in the same company as you by just being yourself. I believe in you, and I believe that you can grow your business, and I believe that there will be people looking just for you and looking for just for the things that you can share them, the valuable things that you can share with them with attraction marketing. My question is, hey Jarre, how are you? Do you believe in yourself? Do you believe that you can do this? And if you need help in that with belief, drop the word belief below and I will help you. My goal is just to be there and support you. Good morning, Jarre. So remember, when you're struggling because you don't trust yourself, get with a group of people that are positive. Start with me. I will be your #1 cheerleader to get you going. I can help you get that support. I can help you learn attraction marketing. I can help you learn how to believe in yourself and change the mindset up here. And the reason why is because I've been able to do it. And if I can do it and I can grow to be a leader, if I can be confident in myself, if I can learn internet stuff when I am not internet savvy, you can too, because you are just as smart and as intelligent as I am. Yes, Jarre. Sorry about that. I got a phone call. Sorry about that. You can do all the things that I can do. So I just wanted to encourage you with that today. And if this was helpful to you, give me some hearts, give me some thumbs up. If you're watching this on replay, just put replay below. If you have a question, please drop a question below. If you need help with your belief or you need help with attraction marketing, put the word belief below. If you agree with me, put the word yes below. If you need help, put help below. Hey, Jose, good to have you here. If you need help in any way, just contact me, reach out to me, and I will help you. You can click those 3 little buttons up above and follow me when I go live, and feel free to share this. Because you see, I am the little engine that could, and you, yes, you can be the little engine that could too if you don't give up, if you trust yourself, if you surround yourself with positive people who will encourage and stand by you. So change your thoughts up here. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. I know you can do it. You can do it. Be the little engine that could, and don't give up, don't give up, Don't give up. Yes, it's Dex. I don't think I'm saying your name right, but I will get in touch with you. I will message you personally. So before I go off, does any one of you have a quick question for me that I can answer and help you? And yes, I will get back to you as soon as I get off the live. I will personally message you. Anybody else have a question that I can answer for you while you got me on live? Okay, I know when you're put on the spot, you can't think of your questions, but you can always message me and I'll get back to you. So God's blessings to you. Have a great day and don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. Bye.